This instructional video will show how to replace a toner cartridge in the Kyocera MA6000ifx printer. When the printer screen shows that it is time to replace toner, use this procedure. To maintain image quality, we recommend using genuine Kyocera toner containers. Genuine Kyocera toner is engineered specifically for Kyocera printers. Using any other toner that is not genuine Kyocera toner may affect print quality and could damage the printer. Using non-Kyocera toner will also void the printer's warranty. Open the top cover. Unlock the container by pushing this latch forward. Remove the old container by pulling slightly up on the right side first and then removing the toner container as shown. Put the old toner container into a provided plastic waste bag and seal the bag. The toner containers are manufactured from recycled plastic, so put the used toner container in your recycle bin. Remove the new toner container from its box, being careful not to touch this part of the container or touch these electrical contacts. Shake the toner back and forth 10 times. Grasp the container at this location and insert it into the printer until it locks into place. Push the toner lock lever to the rear. Close the top cover. Allow the machine to idle until it is ready. This could take several minutes, so please be patient.